Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing Windows 11 update install error with any error code such as 0x800f081f. Whenever you're trying to update your Windows 11 using the Windows update by going to the settings menu and here in Windows update, if you get any kind of install error over here, you can simply fix this error by watching this tutorial. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed. The very basic troubleshooting steps is to head over to this PC, open C drive, and here you will find a folder with the name Windows. Open Windows folder and here you will find a folder with the name Software Distribution. Open this folder and here in the download folder, whatever the data present over here, select all, right click and choose the option delete. Once deleted, go ahead. Don't forget to restart your system and then try to update by again going to a settings menu. Now if this simple step doesn't fix, let's proceed with the second step. I have few commands that I have written over here in this notepad file. I'll provide all these commands in the description of this video. What you need to do is to copy all the commands from the description, create a new notepad file and paste the data over here and then click on the file option and choose the option save as. Provide the path where you would like to save and give it a name update error fix.bat. Make sure you write the name as it is and in save as type choose the option all files. Now hit the save button. Now here is the update error fix that is just saved by you. Now right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. Now this particular command will close automatically after a period of up to 15 minutes and this will fix any update error that you have occurred while installing your Windows 11. So I'll go ahead and minimize it because let it runs in the background, and in the meantime if you are still unable to install Windows 11 update, let's proceed with the third step. Open your web browser and you need to open this particular website. I'll share you in the description of this video. Once open, click on the option code and choose the option download zip. Save it in your desktop. Once it is saved, open the zip file and drag and drop the folder present inside the zip file. Now open the unzipped file folder and here you need to open bypass Windows 11 folder. Here you will find the option of skip TPM check on dynamic updates. You need to right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. Click on the more info and choose the option run anyway. The operation is successfully completed and it will automatically close in this particular few seconds, like you can see. That's all you have to do. This way you have skipped the dynamic update checkup in your Windows 11, and once it is done, go ahead, head over to settings menu, choose Windows update. Now if any updates are available over here, simply click on the download option to download the updates, and these updates will be installed in your system for 100%. So this is all about it, friends. This is how you can fix the Windows 11 update install error. If you want more such information, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue watching more videos of Lotus Geek. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.